Zero.
Today, it is so hard to believe how far we have come. Once, while the Soviets and Americans were racing to the moon and building their space empires, we in India were fighting to feed our people and rebuild our country. While the Americans were sending astronauts to walk on the moon, we were transporting satellite parts on our bullocks. While the Soviets were showcasing their space stations, we were waiting in line to use second-hand equipment from these powerful nations. But today, as the SpaceX rocket roars into the sky, it carries more than just payloads. It carries the hopes and dreams of 1.4 billion Indians.
गगनयान जब अंतरिक्ष में जाएगा, हिंदुस्तानी लेकर के जाएगा। हिंदुस्तान के वैज्ञानिकों के द्वारा हुआ, हिंदुस्तान के पुरुषार्थ के द्वारा हुआ होगा। तब विश्व के अंदर हम चौथे देश बन जाएंगे जो मानव को अंतरिक्ष में पहुंचाने वाले बन जाएंगे।
With this mission, India is not just launching a rocket, it is launching itself into the elite club of space-faring giants. This club includes only 3 nations as of now: the United States, Russia, and China. And now, India is going to be a part of this elite club.
A technology which has been mastered only by Russia, America and China.
Will be the first of its kind for India and proving that India is ready for even more ambitious projects.
India is entering into a completely new domain.
The SpaceX mission is India's call to the future, a future where our children will look at the sky not as a limit but as a playground. And as the rocket breaks through the clouds, it carries the weight of history and the promise of a better tomorrow. The world has watched America and Russia rule the space for decades, but now it's India's turn to lead. And lead we will with the boldness of a billion hearts beating as one. This is not just a launch, this is a moment that says India has risen and we are never looking back. The question is, why is this SpaceX launch such a big deal for India? How will this experiment work and how will it change the face of India?